so the new drain is in. Still to be connected up top, clearly. What we did was we found the elbow piece that had a Fernco on it, which is the rubber fastener. And then they took it out, they put a new one in, made sure there's a clean out here so we can access it. It's gonna clean out from the closet side, so it's easier to access than the bathroom side. So what's it called, a snap cutter?
Snap cutter.
Snap cutter, courtesy of Toronto Drains and Waterproofing. Follow Trevor on Instagram, Facebook, Google pages. Just like that?
Just like that.
Yeah. This is the tool. All right. So we have the cover is, oh, boom, and action.
I don't understand why it's clay though.
This is a Fernco.
Okay.
Ferncos go from clay to plastic.
Okay.
So you're gonna have the rubber go on. It's gonna transition from our 4-inch clay to our 4-inch PVC.
Yeah. And Trevor also told me that the inside diameter of that Fernco, the whole thing is 4-inch. It just looks bigger on the outside.
It's different, yeah. 4-inch clay outside diameter to 4-inch clay or PVC outside diameter is big difference in size.
Yeah. So when he says 4-inch, he means the inside diameter.
That's right.
So where's that PVC pipe that I've seen?
So the rough in is now in. You can see here, vanity drain, shower drain, toilet. It's all tied in underground here into the main stack. The venting right there comes up, around, it's gonna go up this pipe here. Here in Southern Ontario, given the age of the house being 1970s, they used a lot of something called a clay pipe. So it doesn't look like plastic like that. Okay, it's not plastic, it's actually clay. And I'll give you an example of what it looks like right here. So this here is what a very healthy clay pipe would look like. So all your waste used to run right through there. All right, see how thick it is? The problem with clay pipes is that it's actually porous. Okay, so it is easier to get damaged because roots can grow into them and then it can collapse over time. By the looks of these pipes here, it looks like we're still clean, we're still clear. I don't think there's gonna be any issues wrong. So the plumber told me that it looks healthy for the rest of the house, it should be fine. During the snaking process, he actually took the camera all the way out to the city drains, and he noticed there were some cracks there, and which I'm calling the city to fix now, okay? So I wish I caught the video of the inside process, but there's a series of Ys and angles on how they connected the plastic drain into the existing drain. So they've cut the clay pipes and they've replaced that section there with plastic, okay? And in the connection, they use the same thing. Use the Ferncos that we saw over there when we're looking at the other side of the bathroom. Okay, so now once this is now done, now I'm gonna refill it with all the gravel that's over there. It's a mess. It's just very messy. But we're gonna refill with all the gravel we can, and then I'm gonna cement over top the entire thing. Now, what I said about the venting before is a little different from this side of the bathroom as well. Okay, so in this side of the bathroom, we don't have an existing vent to tie it into. Okay, so this is where the drain is for the vanity. This is where the vent is. But there's no vent because the closest vent we have is right all the way over there. So that vent actually shoots upwards, up into this through the chimney, through the roof and into the air, so that it actually draws direct air from outside. Okay. Problem with this side is there's no direct venting we could use. So what we have is something called a ShareVent, I believe. I don't have the box here, but I'll show you in a second. So we have something called a ShareVent, okay, an air admittance valve. Okay, this will be in the video caption links or whatever.